Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can switch the image orientation or layout in your image generations on Adobe Firefly. So let us guide you through this. So guys, navigate to the given image generation in your Adobe Firefly account. For example, via Adobe Firefly here in the web version, navigate to your stuff here to the left. And let me go with an example image generation. Click into image or generation history, select the given image. And you will be then navigated to one of these three tabs, Gallery, Generator, Edit. So if you'd like to give the artificial intelligence a new prompt, enter it here at the bottom. But before you do that, select the orientation, resolution, or aspect ratio to the left. So you may choose the resolution here, like 1K, 2K, 4K, 512. And also the orientation by clicking into that drop-down menu next to aspect ratio and switch from auto to landscape for 3, or you may go with wide, 3:2, portrait. So which one you go with is up to you. If I switch to widescreen 16:9, the artificial intelligence will create an image with that orientation. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.